I'm so excited to be spending time with you today at the Food Freedom Fair. My name is Jessica, and I'm the founder of This Happy Mommy, where we help busy families make dinner quicker and easier. I'm also the creator of Meals in Minutes and Meal Planning Academy, which gives families a roadmap to turn overwhelmed nights into making stress free and delicious dinners. So, if we're meeting for the first time, hello. I'm really happy to meet you. Today, I have a game changing secret to make dinner easier and more affordable. The truth is, feeding your family can feel like a lot of work. Those people in your house, your kids, your partner, and anyone else in your home needs to eat. And they need to eat every single day, and not just once a day, many times a day. Some days it can feel like feeding your family is a full time job, and there's a constant open for business sign flashing in your kitchen. And with raising grocery prices, the cost to keep everyone satisfied is going up and up. As a mom of two young girls, I know how challenging this can be. That's why I want to share a little secret, a shortcut to save time, money, and still serve delicious and healthy meals for your family. It's an unbelievable shortcut for getting dinner on the table fast, like really fast, and it's called freezer cooking. If you've never heard of freezer cooking, don't worry, it's super beginner friendly and it can work for any schedule. Freezer cooking is simply preparing meals ahead of time that you can freeze and cook later. There's no pre cooking. Simply combine the ingredients in a plastic freezer bag or disposable tin pan and freeze them for up to 6 months. That's it. It's really the best kept secret to simple and affordable meals. Now, let me show you how with this delicious Tuscan chicken. First, label your meal. Make the sauce with oil, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, and a blend of herbs and spices. Add the chicken breast to the freezer bag. Pour half into each freezer bag. Remove the air, seal, and pop it in the freezer. And that's it. 2 nights worth of dinners are ready. Now, these meals can be cooked next week, next month, or even in a couple months. And when you're ready to make them, simply defrost them in the fridge overnight. One thing I love about making chicken as a freezer meal is that it gets even more delicious as it defrosts. You see, as it's defrosting in the fridge, it's also sitting in the marinade, so it becomes more tasty, juicy, and so full of flavor. So, freezer cooking isn't just about making delicious and convenient meals. It's a fantastic way to save money on your dinner and your grocery bill. It's truly a money saving genius. You see, on busy nights, you can make a tasty freezer meal instead of grabbing takeout because it's already ready and waiting for you. Plus, when you're preparing these meals, you can take advantage of bulk saving at the grocery store. And you don't need to be a member of a big box store like Costco or Sam's Club to do this. Grocery stores have bulk buy savings, sometimes called family size savings. So when you buy a larger package of chicken, fish, beef, or frozen veggies, they're often at a better price per item. So each meal becomes more affordable. And you don't need a big family to do this. It can work for families of any size, and it is so perfect for freezer cooking. So, if you're ready to start freezer cooking, be sure to grab my free Easy Freezer Meals package. It includes the Tuscan chicken recipe, plus two other delicious recipes, a grocery shopping list, freezer labels, and more. It's a perfect early start. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye for now.